Hi guys, happy Sunday to every single one of you. Happy Sunday guys. So today is Sunday and it's been cloudy guys, and it's been raining so heavily right now. It's raining so heavy, and we've not had light for a month now due to transformer problem. It got spoiled, and the community, we are trying to raise money to repair it. The community is owing a lot of money. Well, those that are using prepaid like me, like us, we don't have a problem. It's those that are not using prepaid that are owing this huge amount of money. Someone said it's close to 50 million. I don't know if it's true. Someone said it's 5 million. I don't know if it's true. So the chairman of this community said those using prepaid can pay any amount they have, and those without prepaid, that means the ones owing this money, should pay 20,000 naira each. Compound should be 20,000 naira. So finger crossed guys, we are hoping for the best. We are hoping for light. We don't know when this light is going to come up. We don't know, maybe 6 months, maybe 3 months. We are just hoping and praying these people should pay up so that we can have light in peace. It's long overdue guys, it's long overdue, and we are all tired of this darkness. We are buying fuel every day, every single day. We are buying petrol because I cannot stay without light. I like light. Who doesn't like light? So every day I keep buying petrol every day. And the problem I'm having is that once there's no light, there's no way we have water. There's no way we have running water. And it's becoming a big issue guys. The whole of this community, the well we have here are not much. Even if there's a well, it's not clean, so we don't know how we are going to do it. Well, after washing my clothes, I will run to the supermarket to get stuff. Obi sent me some money. Obi sent me some money, so I'm using this money to get our monthly stuff. Our house is empty. There's literally nothing in this house right now, so I need to hurry up, wash my clothes, shower, then go to the supermarket to get stuff. Yeah guys, so I'll talk to you guys later when I'm about going to the supermarket, or I'll meet you guys there, whatever. See you guys. how you guys doing? So guys, I would like to do an unboxing for you guys. I bought stuff from Oraimo. I bought bags. I don't know why I keep liking Oraimo product of late. Their products are so good. If you use Oraimo product, you know what I'm talking about. Their charger, power bank, headphone, earpod, whatever, that their product are so good. If it's a charger, forget about it. It charges so fast. Before you know it, your phone is fully charged and it doesn't spoil so easily like other chargers. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought. They're not too much, just few things. I don't know why I keep buying things. I like to buy things. Well, I don't know how I'm going to take all these things back to Poland because there are a lot. I've bought a lot of things. And if my husband should find out about this, it's going to be mad because I don't know where I'm taking all these things to. I don't know how I'm going to carry all these things if I'm leaving Nigeria. I don't know how I'm going to carry them because I've bought a lot of things already, and I keep buying. I keep buying stuff. My mom is going to say, stop buying things. Where they buy and they go? How you want to carry these things if you they go? He said you stop buying things, but me, I like fine things. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. I like fine things that are beautiful. Once my eyes see anything that is beautiful, no matter the price, I'm going to go for it. That is just me for you. That is why my husband always called me an expensive chick, because I'm expensive. In Bobrisky's voice, I am quite expensive. Don't play. So let me show you guys what I bought. Hi guys, how you guys doing? Today is Saturday and today happens to be my niece's birthday. We are taking her out to do some shopping. Her dad, me and my two sisters will be going along with them. I'm going to bring you guys along with me to see how everything, to know how everything went, to know where we went to. We're not doing something big or we're not doing something serious, just little shopping for her. And yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys later.
today is Thursday and I'm supposed to be at work today, but I'm having this serious menstrual pain. Like it's giving me discomfort. I'm not comfortable at all. I have not called yet to tell them I'm not coming. Guys, it's painful. It's unbearable. It's unbearable. I'm just tired of this pain. Like, I do feel this pain every single month. Like, every month I feel this pain every month. Last time it happened, I was at work and my boss could see the pain on my face. I had to go back home that day. That was last month, and this month it just started. It's starting early. I'm not even seeing the period yet, but the pain is unbearable for me. It's unbearable. It's unbearable, guys. I don't usually feel pain from the age of 16 till 27. I didn't feel any pain. I didn't feel pain for one day. My period was just normal. But after I stopped my stressful job, after I stopped working, that's when all this pain started. That's when the pain started. I checked Google and Google said stress can cause this kind of pain. So I just knew it was after I finished working or after I stopped working, I started feeling this pain, guys. Oh my God. Everything seems so new because I've never felt it before, so it seems so new to me. I don't usually have this pain. Look at my face. I've cried a lot. I've cried a lot. The pain is unbearable. Oh my God. Guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. Guys, as you can see from my face, it looks so dull. I'm not feeling too well. I told you guys I was having menstrual pain on my last clip, and after that week, the following week, I was at work and I was having this strange feeling. Then I told my boss that I don't know how my body is. I'm having this joint pain all over my body. My boss was like, she's going to massage me. I need a massage, and after she finished massaging me, I'll have to take pain relief. But me myself, I know what I'm dealing with inside me. I know what I was feeling. I was telling her that this is not massage. This cannot be massage. This pain is more than a massage pain. So after work, I went home that night. Guys, I was shaking. Immediately I get home, I started feeling cold. My feet were cold, my hands were cold, my body was cold. I was having goosebumps. Like, I was shaking so bad. Thank God my mom was around. So my mom was asking me, how are you feeling? I told her I don't understand. My body is this, my body is that. So she went outside at 11 p.m. to go get me some medication. And I am taking my medication so seriously. My mom loves medicine, so she'll have to enforce that medicine on me. I can never skip it. Her eyes are watching me. So my niece fell sick, my sister fell sick, and they transferred this flu to me, which I am dealing with right now. And come to think of it, guys, while I was in Russia, I never fell sick for a day. Despite the cold weather out there, I never fell sick. I asked my dad this question. My dad was like, you want to compare Russia to Nigeria? Nigeria weather is bad. Russian weather is okay. There are no gutters, there are no mosquitoes. The weather there is cool. So there's no way you can fall sick. But here you have bad water, gutters, mosquitoes, you have malaria. So what do you expect? The air you breathe in is pollution. The air you breathe in is pollution. So there's no way you fall sick. The air coming in right now, they're all pollution. To the fact that I have this what's it called? Weak immune system. I have this weak immune system. I can carry anything carryable. So that's why I'm always careful and always scared when I'm around sick people, because I easily catch it. I easily catch it. Having my mom around was really the best thing. Thank God she came during this time we are all falling sick. With my dad alone, my dad can do whatever he wants to do as a man, but having my mom around was the best thing, because she knows the kind of medication she will have to give, she knows the kind of medication she will have to buy, she knows everything concerning medicine. My mom is good in that. That's why we call her a nurse. So my dad will only panic and panic. After I finish panicking, he will have to call my mom on the phone and ask, what should I do? God, we are three falling sick at the same time, and my mom attended to us very well. She washed my clothes, she cooked. Come on, having a mom around is the best thing. Having a mom around is the best thing. And I did not say having a dad around is not the best thing. Don't quote me wrong. Fathers have their own unique way in treating their children. Mothers have their own unique way in also treating their children. So don't quote me wrong. Yeah, I was so happy she was around, because without her, oh, not even the kind of medication I have to take, or the kind of medication I have to give my niece or my sister, because I've not even finished taking care of myself. I've not finished taking care of myself. I want to start taking care of two sick people. It's never me. I know I am the eldest and I need to act like a mom, but my own treatment is way different from my mom's. So kudos to all moms out there. You guys rock. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. God, you guys are trying. You guys are trying. Kudos to that, to all that, to have their own unique way and special way. So kudos to both genders, okay? And yeah, I'm so happy she has left. She left us in good hands. Yeah, before she left, she was like, make sure you take your medicine, make sure you take your medication, take this, do that. My mom does not live with us. Yeah, she doesn't stay with us here. She lives where she works because of the distance. So she only comes home for a week and goes back like weekend. So immediately she heard we were not feeling fine, she came and she took really care of us. So kudos to my mom. Okay, so guys, yeah, I'm not sure if I can continue vlogging, guys. I'm not sure of that. I'm not sure, because I need to recover, I need to get myself, I need to feel more better. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that. And next time you'll be seeing me, you'll not be seeing me with this dull face of mine. You'll be seeing me with a more lively face. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Bye.